Hi, I'm Lauren. I'm the new marketing executive at AOS. I'll be taking over from Jess and I'm really excited to join the team. I've never used a barbecue before and I'm completely new to the barbecue world, so I'll be using the Traeger Timberline to make roasted chicken enchiladas. First, I'm going to preheat the Traeger to 177 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes, and whilst we wait, we're going to rub the chicken with some olive oil and season it with salt and pepper. Now that the Traeger's ready and the chicken's seasoned, we're going to take this meat prober and plug it in here, and we're going to put it directly into the chicken, trying to avoid any of the bones. The probe is there to make sure that the internal temperature reaches 74 degrees, and then we're going to put the chicken directly onto the grill. Now that the chicken's done, we're going to take it out and let it rest for about 10 minutes, and then we'll shred it with a fork. Next, we're going to use the Traeger induction hob, and we're going to turn it on by holding this and twisting it round until it's on a medium to high heat. And then we're going to put this on and let it heat up. And then we're going to put our onions on to saute for 3 minutes, and then our chilies for 6 to 8 minutes. And then we'll take them inside to assemble them. So now that the chilies are all done, we're going to put them in with the chicken and mix them all together. And then we're going to get our tortilla wraps, and we're going to assemble them together with this mixture, our cheese, black beans, and this enchilada sauce. And we're going to roll them up, and then we're going to put them in this baking tray that we've already greased. Now that that's all done and it's looking like something like this, you're going to want to put it into the Traeger at 175 degrees for about 20 minutes or until it's golden. Okay, now that it's done, and you'll know that it's done because it'll be crispy and golden on top, you'll take it out and you'll serve it with sour cream and chopped coriander. Thank you so much for watching. If you're looking for more outdoor cooking videos or outdoor kitchen walkthroughs, I'll leave a video up here, and be sure to subscribe. For more regular content, we post regularly on Instagram and Facebook, so be sure to follow us there.